hello everyone and welcome to beautiful, surreal Switzerland.
So in this video we are going to explore Lauterbrunnen. This valley is famous for its stunning waterfalls, alpine meadows and charming villages. But that's not all, because we're also heading to the top of the cliffs on an epic hike between two car-free towns with spectacular views of the mountains. Let's begin this adventurous day.
Morning.
No, leave me alone.
You're excited for today?
Yes, now leave me alone.
What do you feel about camping?
We slept in a tent. It was wet, cold.
But look at those views there.
Yes, very nice. What do you think so far?
This is the most insane scenery I've ever seen, I think. Would Ellie agree?
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
So we're here and the sun has come out. It is beautiful. We couldn't see any of this yesterday, but it was all around us. It's absolutely insane. We are in Lauterbrunnen right now, which is one of the most beautiful towns in Switzerland. This is Staubbach Falls, literally one of the highest waterfalls in Europe. And the sheep with his bell wants to be in the video. He needs a feature. Yeah, fun fact, we're actually in the real life inspiration for J.R.R. Tolkien's Rivendell. That is this village right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to explore these waterfalls a little closer and see some more of this beautiful valley. Let's make haste whilst the sun is shining, as they say.
Yeah.
We live by tunnels in Switzerland. Hey, it's raining here. Why is it raining? The sun's out.
The waterfall. We should have taken our waterfall.
Yeah. So we're just driving further up now to try and get an even better view of this valley and possibly even go to one of the villages that are up on top of these cliffs via a cable car called Mürren. Yes, we're at the other end of the valley now. That there is Mürrenbachfall, but from the top there we should get incredible views over this valley and that insane looking mountain behind the trees there. Really can't wait. Where should we have a look around?
So
it looks
where
quite
are
big. We're here at Gimmelwald.
Yeah.
And we've come from down here all the way up the cliff. So we just made it to the top. That behind me is a small town of Gimmelwald. We were going to get the cable car to Mürren, but it's actually quite expensive to get to Mürren. And if you get it to Gimmelwald, it's half the price. And then you get a beautiful hour-long walk along these cliffs, which is exactly what we're going to do now to see even more of this beautiful scenery. Behind me you can actually see what we think is a glacier. You couldn't actually see it from the bottom. Frankly, the clouds have cleared mostly, and I mean the views are just spectacular. It's one of those places where you just question that it can even exist. But here we are staring at it, and it's very surreal. So yeah, let's do our hike and let's get to Mürren, which is 55 minutes.
We're about 1,350 meters right now. And you can really feel it in the air. It's kind of chill as well, which is good. Yeah.
So this behind me is the top of Mürrenbachfall, the one we could see from the bottom. This will soon be cascading over the edge. There's Mürren.
It can't be that much climbing then.
No, it's not much higher, it's just It is very beautiful village. It's just so strange, you know, you're just in a normal village and you look around and oh, that's there. So this is Mürren right now, another one of the car-free towns that you can find, villages I should say I suppose, in these mountains. Now yeah, we're just going to finish filming here, but we're heading up to Interlaken now to see one of the castles that you can find overlooking the shores of the Lake Thun. So let's go. Okay, so we made it to the lakes. This is Lake Thun that you can see behind me, although we had a slight change of plan. After arriving at Spiez for our castle plan, the castle actually closes quite early. So we're going to do that tomorrow, but today there is something else on the shores of Lake Thun that we couldn't pass up the opportunity for, and that is St. Beatus Caves, one of the most famous cave systems in Switzerland. The views are incredible. We just got another long climb up to the start point.
Start point, yeah. Let's go.
So welcome everyone to St. Beatus Caves, named after the Saint Beatus himself, who apparently came here in the 2nd century and fought off a dragon that was living in these caves. It's so strange, it's been noisy with water the whole time and
now it's quiet.
Suddenly nothing.
Yeah. When they first discovered this chamber, it took them 4.5 hours to reach it, then it took us 10 minutes.
Yeah, maybe. This is a very long cave though, almost 1 kilometer long.
Yeah. Which
is insane. You climb around 100 meters as well whilst exploring the cave. And it's very strange to be in a cave and actually be going upwards. So this cave was actually formed from the water of Lake Thun, because Lake Thun used to be much higher than it is today. So this cave, yeah, would have been completely submerged.
When you think you reach the end, it's not. Still all going on.
We have to walk 1 kilometer back yet. Are we at the end?
I think so.
Oh. End! Oh. It's incredible!
Finally!
We're free!
We actually, that was very long.
And so with that, that summarizes the video of today. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more of our epic Western European road trip, do click to my full playlist. In the description, we've been in France and we're going to Italy, Germany, Austria, Luxembourg and more. So yes, thank you for watching and goodbye.